I was hoping get a little bit more of them having fun over there. There was a couple of really when they're so beautiful. Oh, there he is. He's back down there now. Just nervous. Wish he wouldn't be nervous. It's okay, baby. It's all right. I don't know what kind of bird that. I think that's a meadowlark, a full-grown meadowlark. I'm not sure. Just really having fun. I'm changing stuff around in the tree. Dove's over there getting into it. Oh my God, a gopher just ran through my yard. Oh, well, that's it, boy. Gosh. Oh, there he goes. He's running right up that road. Yeah, you better keep running, honey, because you're going to have a pellet in the butt. Yep, no more. That was just freaked me out. The gopher ran through my yard. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, I've been having my own little battle with them. I've been doing all right. Come on, birdies. There's Maggie over there. Hi, Maggie. It's been a lazy afternoon. I'm finally taking a day off. Yep. I've been having a battle over the strawberries, too. Now that they're starting to do their thing, of course, I might have to get some netting. I hope not. I'd like to be able to just, not have to be so restrictive, but these birds just don't get it, you know what I mean? Share, babies. They just don't sometimes. No, I can't say that. They do. I'm charging up the battery on the Monty. Craig came by yesterday and it was so kind. The kindest thing that, a guy has ever done for me in quite a long time. And it helped me fix a 25-year mystery. But anyway, I just wanted to say to everyone that I care, I'm grateful for you guys. And life is great. You gotta stay strong. I don't want to try to sound too profound. It's just, there's the bird. There he is. I was patient enough. He came back. Isn't that wonderful? This is the whole purpose of the video, is this right here. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Appreciate it. This just makes my whole day. This is why I never really want to go anywhere, because I got all these birds. I don't really need to go anywhere. Just hang out in my yard. Yeah, this camera is pretty nice. Better than my phone for stuff like this. Getting in there. So beautiful. Oh, I went back up in the tree. Oh, he's up over there. Up in that tree somewhere. I seen him right when I was panning to get his zoom in. He moved again. Gosh, he's just all back down there again. He likes to play tricks. He goes up there when he knows that the camera's on him, and then once he figures the camera's off of him, he goes back down. Yes, he knows he's on the camera. You silly stinker. The silly stinker. That's going to be the name of this video. The silly stinker that plays. He goes up to the chop, and he knows when I'm zooming in, And then he's like, okay, it's gonna go back down and go bit in the water. Oh, there he goes. Oh, this time, yeah, he took off. But that's what he was doing. He was going up into the tree, and then he would go back down. Playing a game. Just like they like to play, you know. It's been a nice afternoon. I wish you guys all the very best.